Okay, video number 2, we're turning on the power. Okay, so right there, top is going to tell what the current temperature is. Bottom will tell you what the temperature is once we turn on for it to get heated, okay? So to turn it on, we're going to hit those both at the same time and then set the temperature. Here, it's current speed, which is 0, we're not moving, and we're going to set it at 7.2. Since I have a small run here, I'm going to turn it down so I don't run off the end of the board here. So I'm going to set it to about 4 feet per minute, okay? And then you got your main switch, airflow, and then this just moves the machine to get it into place, okay? But once you put that nozzle in, this thing will start moving. So we're going to hit both of these. It's going to start heating up. So right now, the set temperature, ST, is at 1058. That's too high. So we're going to turn it down. Sometimes you can't get it precisely on that temperature, but 896 is pretty close to 900. This thing heats up very, very fast, as you can see. So usually it'll overshoot the temperature and then bring it back down, okay? So we got the speed, got everything set here, the airflow. See, when I turn on the airflow, you can hear it. So the only reason you want to turn down your airflow is if you got a really cold day or it's really windy out, and you want to kind of make sure that air temperature is much hotter than it should be. But don't do that on a hot day because then the machine may overheat. So only turn down the airflow on really cold days or windy days. So what I'm going to do here is pull back, put the nozzle in, and then it'll start moving, and you'll see how it all works. Once you put that nozzle in, it starts moving. Sorry. All right, there you go. And again, we don't have it at a very high speed, so it's moving very slow, but this is just for the purposes of training. And then when you're done, pull out the nozzle, the machine stops moving. Okay, so that's pretty self-explanatory and so forth. So when you're going to shut this machine down, hit both of these at the same time, turns off the heat, and then we're in a cooling down mode. Let this thing cool down and let that air run for at least 5 or 10 minutes. You don't want to break that heating element. So in the kit that you receive, there is a extra heating element in there, but you may never need it if you take care of this machine. So, because these heating elements are a couple $100 if you have to replace them. And you've already got an extra one, so very, very rarely do I get a call, somebody asking for an extra heating element for a robot. So, as you can see, it's already kind of cooled down to almost 300 degrees. So, I would let it, depending on the area and where you are in the country, let it cool down to at least 200 or 300 degrees before you put this away to save that heating element, okay? If you have any questions, text me, call me, and we'll go from there. Thank you.